Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a pop-up font overlay in CapCut. So for this, you need to prepare two videos, one as the main video and the second is as the overlay. So here I've already imported the main video, and to add the overlay, just click on overlay and choose the video that you want to add. So I'm going to just choose a random video in here, and next on the overlay, click on animations and find combo and swipe until you find the smartphone animations. Okay, this one's right here. Choose the smartphone one, this one, and adjust the length of the animations. Click on a check icon, and I'm going to lower the volume first, and then you can adjust the size, make it big like this, and here is the final result. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe, and also please click the thanks below. See you at the following tutorial. Bye.